Right, now it's time now from the next solar system. What about time for Musuri? Masuri.
Misery.
Oh. Ma, is it Missouri is a koan? Is it a moon?
No. Misery is putting your life into loneliness or unhappiness. You would be miserable.
God damn! Alright, that's it. I'm finding the moon to destroy some aliens. Wait, look, it's a Saturn.
You keep your toys, Caleb. Kay how many times I keep your toys at night kung nag-sleep na ka? You keep sa your toys.
I'm recording a
It's
video.
been me who has been keeping your toys. Keep it.
So this is the Saturn. And this is the